Day 3 of the 1971 McKee bass boat restoration. Yesterday I was able to get the boat off of the trailer, and now I can start stripping down this trailer, take all the components off that are bolt on, try to sandblast them and get them back down to bare metal, and then sand the rest of the frame with wire wheel and heavy duty sandpaper. Get it back down, do any repair work needed to be done on it, and then give it a good paint job, and then repair the jack, the winch, new lighting, new runners. So let's take a look at everything. Just got a bunch of kind of surface rust. Obviously got to replace these boards, recarpet them, those under the back skids. Replace these rollers. Take the hubs off of this axle, put some new hubs on. Look at the pre-packed with grease bearing hubs. This is an adjustable trailer, but it's set up perfect for this boat. I can get this thing good as new. And then I was able to use my A-frame to support the boat. I jacked it up and put some temporary jack stands underneath it. I attached a board, strapped it to the jack stand. I had some foam from some construction work that I did. It's actually saddle shim foam, and I kind of put it in between the 2x4 and the bottom of the frame. Built a kind of a cradle for it. Got my jack stands there just as a backup, but I haven't stood in this yet, but I think it's going to be pretty solid on this suspension. Took the floor pans out yesterday, and this is a trough. Drains out of the live well with a cooler into this trough. And there's a bunch of junk there I need to clean out, but this runs all the way back. You can see this these side floor pans, they have a drain hole right there. It empties out into the trough. You can see it right there. There's another one on this side. I'm not sure why these looks like 4-inch cutouts are cut like this. It's only in this pan and the trough, but it's not in that other pan over there that I've seen. But I'm gonna clean this out and get all the water out of it and sponge it down, clean it up, just like I did with the pressure washing here. I just don't want to pressure wash on my concrete pad and get everything all wet again. So I'll just try and do it a little neater here. It's in pretty good shape. Gonna have to do a little bit of fiberglass touch up, sand, prime, and then should be able to paint it. This cradle that I've created, I don't have anything touching any of the rub rail or anything, so I'll be able to paint this whole top side no problem. I'm trying to source a new rub rail, but it's kind of difficult. So, and then got to do some work on this motor, replace the fuel lines, replace the water pump impeller, compression check, new plugs, wires. All right, that's where we're at right now. Time to get after it. Got my helper here working on the trailer for me. He's removing all the rollers, cutting the bolts that are corroded, getting rid of all the runners. Making some progress. What have you done so far?
I cut out a couple bolts over there and had to punch the rest of it through. I took out the rollers. That's about it for now. I'm still kind of just getting started. I'm gonna there's 2 like bolts stuck in there by that trailer light, so I gotta do that. And then I gotta take the winch off, the jack, and then the rest of the wires. I think then I can start sanding it down.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, we've recruited some more help on the trailer. They're getting after it. What you working on?
Put these boys to work getting it started sanding. I got the chains and the jack off. I took the lights off and I'm trying to punch those holes through.
Okay. You're getting there.
Yeah.
We're gonna make quick work of this trailer.
Uh-huh.